Yeah, with putting the new battery in, we already took out the old one. Yeah, making sure all things are in place. Making sure the connectors are where they're supposed to be and it's properly oriented.
Took it up from the packaging right into there.
So here it is, Infiniti Hybrid. Yeah, we're running here. Did a full lot of the back seats, took the battery out. You have to take out the back seats and so on. We took the battery out. We have finally mounted the battery in. Pass all the hybrid lines, put back up the safety clip. So we're gonna see, we're just making sure it's running. I'm waiting for it to go into hybrid mode. There's a couple of warnings on the dash. Probably have to scan and do some calibrations, but it's running and we're gonna see how that process functions. We're gonna drive it and see how the transmission shifts, and then we're gonna figure out what's going on. Look out for us, Hybrid EV Technician.